Hi friends, you are a new viewer for our channel. Please subscribe our channel and touch the bell icon. This kind of good videos will come to your mobile.
Hi friends, welcome to our channel. This is your Srinivas. Yes, after long days you are coming back to our channel. We are also very happy with that. Today I am going to discuss such a good topic, useful topic and related to the government TS SCRT syllabus. The topic is nothing but quadratic equation. Friends, before that you are asking like that. To this video, from this video I am going to take the videos in exercise wise problems, because so many students are requesting to me to mail, they are mailed to me, they are asking to me, sorry, how to do the each and every problem to the exercise wise. So somewhat it is hard for me, but anyhow I have to do the give the time to you to do this kind of videos for you. But your duty is what? You have to watch it the channel regularly, and previous videos also will helps to you to get the such a good content. I told you every time, content is power, concept is king. You trust it, you will get the knowledge and go for the exam very nicely. Friends, in this the topic will be quadratic equation. Before that we have to go with some mind mapping points as well as learning outcomes as well as some key concepts. Here I have written some key concepts are there. What are the key concepts are there? In this total chapter which we are going to discuss in exercise wise, in problem wise, these important 7 topics were useful for you. So just 2 minutes we have to go with put on in concentrate in that topic, then we will go for exercise 5.1. Right, dear friends? Yeah. What is quadratic equation? Yeah. Already we know familiar about system of linear equations, types of polynomials, how to solve them. By using that algebraic strategy, however, we have to solve the second degree equation in our day-to-day life. That is also called as quadratic equation. In general, the second degree polynomials also called as quadratic polynomial. Let p of x equals to 0, then p of x is called, simply we can say that polynomial in order 2 or degree 2. When it is equals to 0, it has equivalence 0, then it becomes called as quadratic equation in terms of single variable, nothing but x. Right? Now, for suppose ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic polynomial. Polynomial is having degree 2, commonly called as quadratic polynomial. It is in the form of p of x for suppose. Its degree is 2. Yeah? Yes. Now, for suppose p of x equals to 0, that quadratic polynomial also called as quadratic equation. Hence, we can say that ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is called, here condition a is not equals to 0. The terms a comma b comma c belongs to real numbers. Then it is called as standard form of quadratic equation, as well as we can call as general form of quadratic equation. Yes, this is a literal information about quadratic equation. These should be over in our concepts. Now, what is the third concept? Roots or solution of quadratic equation. For suppose you can take any real number alpha. This real number will be called as solution or 0 of a quadratic equation. It must be satisfy the condition equals to 0. For suppose I am going to take the p of x equals to x square minus 2x plus 3. I am going to, instead of here in the place of alpha, I am going to take the 0 or root is of quadratic equation is 1. I have to substitute it. I should get the condition. Yes, in the place of p of x is 1 square minus 2 into 1 plus 1. 1 square value 1, 2 1 are 2 plus 1. 2 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 get cancelled. We are getting 0. Hey, satisfy the condition 0. Yes, when the remainder is 0, by using the remainder theorem, yes, remainder 0, then this is called 0 or root of p of x. That is also called as roots or solution of a quadratic equation. Simple, we can say that if any real number alpha can be satisfy the equation, that alpha is called as a root or solution of a quadratic equation. Right? Every quadratic equation must have 2 roots, because when n, what is the n? What is the n? N is 2. That many zeros, at most zeros will be 2. So it should get 2 zeros compulsory. Linear polynomial degree is 1, it has 1 zero because power is degree is 1. Quadratic equation has 2 roots, then it has 2 power. Cubic equation have power is 3, it has at most 3 zeros. Remember, this is very important point. And how many methods to solve the quadratic equation? Yeah, linear equation 2 variable we have to solve in 3 methods, right? Here also we are using 3 methods. One is general factorization method, formula method, completing square method. Every quadratic equation can be solved by 3 methods, which are factorization method means splitting method, right? Next, formula method minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and completing square method also, that is under 4 marks question, remember. And what is the discriminant? Discriminant means, for example, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0 is the same general form of quadratic equation. It has one discriminant, that is nothing but b square minus 4ac equals to 0. This is called discriminant of every quadratic equation. In the terms of ABC, sometimes they are giving PQR also. That time we can get q square minus 4PR. Remember, okay, in part B it will be there. Now, every discriminant can be denoted by d or delta, right? It has 3 natures. When d greater than 0, first nature will be when the delta or d greater than 0, so the roots are realigned distinct. So the roots are realigned distinct. Next, if delta E or D less than 0, so imagine delta less than 0, roots does not exist, imaginary roots. Now if delta or D is equal to 0, so the roots are realigned equal roots, means 2 values will be same. Every discriminant have 3 natures. First nature will be delta greater than 0, means all are positive numbers. Then the nature of the roots will be realigned distinct. Now delta will be less than 0. We are getting, for suppose substituting ABC value in that formula, we are getting negative term. Then we are going to give the consideration. Then we are going to give the clarification of nature will be imaginary roots. Means real roots does not exist. Now when the delta equals 0, we can say that roots are real and equal. That's it. And the very important point will be curves, graph of quadratic equation. Based on these 3 natures will be there. Yes, the graph will be distinct to 2 places, means it will intersect the x-axis. That intersect values are called zeros or roots of the quadratic equation. Means the graph will intersect in 2 places on x-axis. Here it has 2 zeros or 2 roots, because your delta will be greater than 0. Remember, right? Now here this, for example, this graph will not intersect the x-axis. That means the delta will be less than 0, means imaginary roots. There is no real roots. It will not intersect any place, any x-axis, on x-axis, right? Now delta less than 0, this graph will intersect at one place, here are like this, we can take at one place. Means the roots are realigned equal. One root only it will be get it. Right? You see, children, simple concept I explain in a simple way. Just remember what I explained. What is quadratic equation? What is standard form? How many roots? What is the root of meaning of quadratic equation? How many methods to solve the quadratic equation? What is discriminant? How many natures it has? What is the graphs? It is completely free view of this chapter. Now let us go with exercise wise problems. It will be complete notes of you, complete question bank of you, complete marks getting bank of you. Now let us see. See children, now these are all the exercise problems. I am going to detail explanations to you. This is like one of the PDF file for you. Now see the first solution of you in this 5.1 exercise. First question. The question is x plus 1 whole square is equals to 2 of x minus 3. What is the condition? Check whether the following are quadratic equation. How would you know it is a quadratic equation? The power will be 2, it is a quadratic equation. Power will be 1, linear equation. We can say that very easy manner by seeing the degree. But here degree left side is having, right side also having one equation. In these 3 questions, all are having LHS and RHS part. We can conclude it, we can write as a single equation. It is having degree 2, then we can say that it is a quadratic equation. Now degree other than 2 will be there, we can say that it is not a quadratic equation. This is the main theme of this bit. Now see, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. As we know very well, first algebraic identity. Yes, a square plus b square plus 2ab. In this form, you can split the term. A value will be x, b value will be 1 as per question. A value be x, b value 1. A square plus b square plus 2ab. And right side 2 into x, 2x, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. Because here any power will be not there, that is the reason I am going to direct multiplication with 2. Now here x whole square only, 1 whole square 1 only, 2 into x, 2x 1 are 2x. Now that is equals to 2x minus 6. Right children? These two terms transfer to left side becomes a one single quadratic equation. Plus 2x transfer to left side minus 2x. Plus 6 will transfer to left side becomes to sign will be changed plus 6x. That is equal 0. Now plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. These two are the like terms with opposite signs. That is the reason you should cancel it. And remaining all are different terms. Means x square, unique number you can write as it is. Here constant number 1, here number is 6. 1 plus 6, 7 is equal to 0. Finally, we are getting one term will be x square plus 7 is equals to 0. In that, what is the degree? Power is 2. Yes, power is 2. We can say that it is a quadratic equation because it has degrees 2. Clear? Next, second one. Follow the second one. Yes, left side x square minus 2x single term will be there. You can write as it is. Now right side two terms will be there. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6. Clear? Minus into minus plus 2 into x 2x. These two terms transfer to left side. X square minus 2x as it is, right. Minus 6 will be transferred to left side, becomes to plus 6 as well as minus 2x equals to 0. Minus 2x comes to left side, become plus 2x comes to this side, it will becomes to minus 2x. Here what are the like terms? These two are the like terms. Because x is the variable of both terms. Minus 2, minus 2. When the terms are having same signs, we can do addition. So minus 2x, minus 2x, minus 4x, plus 6. Yes, we are getting few quadratic equation because degree is 2. Yes, it is also quadratic equation. Therefore, our conclusion is it is quadratic equation. Now third one. The solution will be product of these two, product of these, like a algebraic identities in that x plus a into x plus b formula will be there, no? X square plus a plus b of x plus ab. Same formula we should apply here. X into x, x square, x into plus 1 plus 1x. Now x will be completed. X value will be over. Now minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Again minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Clear? Now is equals right side x into x, x square, x into plus 3, plus 3x friends, minus into x, minus 1 into plus 3, minus 3. Now here x square, simplify these two, minus x is equal to 0. Friends, here plus 1x, here minus 2x. Both are like term but signs will be changed. We should do subtract. So minus x, then minus 2 equals 0. Now here x square, these two are the like terms, 3x minus 1x nothing but plus 2x minus 3 equals 0. All you can transfer to left side becomes to change the signs. Minus x square minus 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. All at a time we can take the equals to 0. Here what are the like terms? Plus x square minus x square get cancelled. And one more like terms, these two, minus x minus 2x nothing but minus 3x. Minus 2 plus 3 nothing but 1. In this final step, what did you observe? Degrees, x is having degrees 1. When the degree is 1, it is a linear. But here what is the question for us? Which is quadratic equation? Yes, it is not a quadratic equation because degree is 1. Yes, therefore it is not a quadratic equation because degree or power will be 1. This is the simple solution of first three answers. Now let us see remaining 3 answers. Now see the question number 4. What is the terms are given in an LHS? X minus 3 into 2x plus 1 or x of x plus 5. Here also like that. Friends, see x into 2x square. Means I am going to general multiplication. Now x into 2x square, x1 the x. You might be understand first the answers very easy manner. Same strategy we should follow. That's it. Nothing at all. Okay now right. Minus 3 into 2x minus 6x. Minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Right. Now x into x square, x into 5 5x. All you have to write left side because 2x square is the bigger number. Minus 3. Now transfer this value to left side, becomes to sign will be changed, minus x square plus 5x also nothing but minus 5x. All 8 times you have written means you can keep it equals to 0 because general form of quadratic equation will be x square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Friends, here 2x square minus x square, 2x square minus x square, 1x square. Here minus 6x minus 5x minus 11x plus 1x, minus 6 minus 5 minus 11 plus 1x, nothing but minus 10x. Now constant single number will be there, that is minus 3 equals 0. This is having power 2. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. It is a simple, we can say that it is a quadratic equation. Clear? Now this one, 2x into x, 2x into x, 2x square, a power of m into a power of n, nothing but a power of m plus n. Like that x into x power should be added. X square, very good. 2x into minus 3 minus 6x. Clear? Yes, you are guessing is correct. Minus 1 into x minus 1x. Minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3 is equals to x into x, x square, x into minus 1 minus 1x plus 5 into x plus 5x plus 5 into minus 1 minus 5. Multiplication will be very serious, we can do it. Then answer will be comes. Here 2x square as is right, minus 6x minus 1x minus 7x plus 3. Here x square as is right, plus 5 minus 1x plus 4x minus 5. Now all 8 times you can write it. Here this left side value should be right as it is, dear friends. Now these values will be changed their signs. Means plus will be minus, minus will be plus. Here 2x square minus 1x square. These two are the like terms. It is having 1x square. Minus 7 minus 4. Both are same size. I said no. Both are same size will be there. You should add. Sign will be common. So minus 7x minus 4x. 11x sign is minus is the common. So minus 11x. Now plus 3 plus 5. Nothing but plus add. In this term also the degree is having 2. Meanwhile we can say that it is also quadratic equation. Therefore it is also quadratic equation. Clear? Now sixth one. We see the solution how it is going on like a drinking of water. Very smooth manner. You see the without skipping the video, then you can understand 100%. Right? Now x square plus 3x plus 1 will be the unique term. You write as it is. There is no multiplication. You write as it is. Now it is in the form of a minus b whole square. You know a minus b whole square second algebraic identity, very easy. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Here a will be x, b will be 2. Instead of a you can write x. Instead of b you can write 2. Yes, b square 2 square. A x b 2 friends. X square plus 3x plus 1 x whole square, x square 2 whole square 4, 2 to the 4x. Clear? All 8 times you have to write. X square plus 3x plus 1 as is right. This will comes to left side, becomes to change their signs. Right. Plus x square minus x square get cancel. Right. What are the like term? These two. 7x plus 1 minus 4. This final term having degree is 1. So we can say that therefore it is not a quadratic equation because degree is 1. Now more two questions are there. Let us see. Question number 7. It is in the form of cubic quadratic equations. Cubic quadratic equations means power 3 will be there. Nothing but algebraic identity we have to use power 3 with power 3. No problem. You see that. LHS for x plus 2 whole cube, that is equals to x of x square minus 1. It is a quadratic equation or not? First you know very well. It is in the form of a plus b whole cube or x plus y whole cube. You know very well. The formula will be a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. This kind of formula we should use here. Actually this term I having two formulas. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab of a plus b, or a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Here this is the correct formula for this question. Okay na? Friends, I am suggesting you must know some formulas. Compulsory some formula, algebraic identities, exponent formulas, some area of related. The formulas you keep in your mind, compulsory. Okay na? Right. Now here a is what? X. B is what? 2. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Clear? Instead of a, x. Instead of b, 2. A square x b 2. A x b 2. What we are getting? X power 3 nothing but x cube. 2 cube nothing but 2 into 2 into 2. 8. Plus 3 2 ja 6 x square. Here 3 2 ja 6 not amma. Here 2 square value will be 4. 4 3 ja 12x. Remember? X power 3 x cube, 2 cube value 8. Here power will be 1. That is the reason I should directly multiply with 3 2 ja 6 x square as it is, right. Here power 2 will be there. This value, expand value 4. 4 3 ja 12 x. This is the value of left side. Now what is the right side? What about right side? 2x into x, 2x cube, right, minus 2x 1 ja 2x. Now left side, this is a power coefficient 2 will be there, no? This is a bigger number. These all the terms to right side. 2x cube minus 2x as it is, right? It will goes to right side. Minus x cube, it will goes to right side. Minus 8 minus 6x square becomes 2. Plus 6x square becomes to minus 6x square. Plus 12 becomes to minus 2x is equal to 0. All at a time you have written means you can keep 0. Now 2x cube minus x cube. 2x cube minus 1x cube. 1x cube. Minus 2x minus 12x. Minus 14x. What are the like terms I am seeing here? Here minus 6x square will be. Here minus 8 will be. I should write in order. X cube minus 6x square minus 14x minus 8 equals 0. This is the final step. Friends, by seeing the final step, this first number is having degrees 3. That is the reason it is not a quadratic equation. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation because 3. But he is not asking any reasons. If he is asking reasons, you can write because the degree is 3. Just he is asking check whether the quadratic equation or not. It's not a quadratic equation. Right, my dear friends? Now, last question in this first exercise, first bit. Yes, LHS pot is already splitted pot. You can write highest is, dear children. Now, what about right side? Yes, you are right. A minus B whole cube. Very good. A minus B whole cube formula. Yes. A cube minus B cube minus 3a square B plus 3ab square. Clear? A cube minus B cube minus 3a square B plus 3ab square. Here A is what? 2. X. B is what? 2. A cube minus B cube minus 3a square B plus 3ab square. So we can substitute the values very easy. X 2, X 2, X 2. How it is easy, dear friends. Now x power 3, 2 cube value 8, 3 2 6x square. I told you this is 2 square value 4, 4 3 12x. Now x cube minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. Here left side, already this is a unique number, no? You write as here, dear friends. Now here you should observe plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Yes, starting time I don't say direct steps. I am telling one by when we are going to discuss such problems in order, we are getting such idea, some knowledge. I am telling some direct steps for you. Friends, plus x cube same term. same coefficients will be transferred to right side to left side, left side to right side, it will be cancelled. సో ఇది అటువైపు పంపించినా ఇది ఇటువైపు పంపించినా కట్ అవుతుంది. సో అట్లా కూడా వేసుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా, రైట్. నౌ x cube get cancel. Here minus 4x square, here minus x plus 1, here minus 6x square plus 12x minus 8. These all will transfer to left side. So it will be change their signs. All at a time equals 0. Plus 6 minus 4 plus 6x square minus 4x, like terms, but plus minus will be there, subtract. 2x square minus 12x minus 1x minus 13x plus 1 plus 8. Yes, it is having degree. Therefore our conclusion, it is a quadratic equation. How did you understand, dear friends? I hope that you are enjoying this class, and you have to see our channel regularly. Many videos are there, especially 10th class children. I am explaining in that stanza, in this strategy with exercise wise problems. So many students, so many schools friends are correspondents, somebody are asking to me doing these videos. That is the purpose I am doing these videos, right? Now it can be helpful for you. You have to watch our channel regularly. You give your valuable comments, and please share to your friends. Till then, practice well. Bye bye.